This is part 55 of Angel's Homage, and this is a continuation from the previous tape concerning Tulsa's war against the black families, whites against the blacks, the evil whites against the good blacks, not the good whites. It's a long story. Okay. Nations now know that mighty spirit selves are spirit kinfolks, spirit brothers and sisters of everyone. Angels who come down in huge spirit size. Frequently, they visit the Southside of Tulsa, Oklahoma yearly. Why? Because whites bombed the North Side where the blacks lived. So, when angels get teed off, they form into groups. Angels do, becoming 500-mile winds if they want to. Wind selves, spirit selves, unseen, immortal army of angels, spirit folks. They slam dunked as tornadoes. They form themselves. What you see on that picture there is folks, people, water, storms, the capability of angels, the power of angels. They stomped on businesses in Tulsa, especially in the white areas of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Angels know just who's doing the damages. They know the ones who's wanting the massacre to occur. So angels hit their targets. They are a force to be reckoned with when they're in action. They're everybody's spirit family above. These tremendous, strong entities, your brothers and sisters, our family, together they can form not into just a EF5, but a EF 1 million. Catastrophic lessons to behold, damaging homes, but taking kids to the other side of the earth, out of body experiences what the children have. You only seen the bodies of, but you're not seeing the when you see those pictures of children in trouble. Their spirit, flesh self is away, experiencing an out of body experience, while people only see the body. But that's another story too. But anyways, like I was saying, the whites, the haters of blacks, they dropped the bombs on defenseless Negro families. And so the Tornado family touched down. They touched down January of 1922. The attack was 1921. But the angels came forth. They're the family of the gods, the godheads and the goddess heads. The angels are. Now the news reporters, they call them tornadoes. I call them tornado angels. Praise angels. Praise love. Babies, oh my God. The North Side seldom gets visits from the tornado angels, other than just warnings. They tell them, take cover, because they get ready to go and take charge, against the enemies. So anyway, praise the angels, who hover over Tulsa, and thank Motown. Thank Motown secondly. Those angels. It was nothing like Motown music. It made stressed couples come together and slow dance. Some of the innocent good white people's music. It was nice, but the good whites, but soothing music coming out of Detroit. It relaxed couples who were listening, and while going through hell, And gospel, it just wasn't cutting it for romance. So couples could make love to Smokey Robinson's relaxing songs. Ooh, yeah, baby, baby. Oh, and Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrell's Heaven Must Have Sent You From Above. relieve a lot of stress that was surrounding us there on the north side of Tulsa. Mm-mm-mm. So there's more. Please follow me to the next.